Yo, 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 listen up. I'm gonna take you on a ride. How to build the dopest Discord. I'm your guide. Whether gaming, anime, any community, you heard? Follow these steps, you'll make the flyest server. Word. Step 1. Decide channels. That's where you begin. Open up Notepad. Type those names in. Got your ideas? Yeah, jot them down quick. Like how I did here, man. This is the trick. Step 2. Create your server. That's the next move. Open Discord up. Let's get in the groove. Click that plus icon, make it from scratch, starting fresh, baby, we about to dispatch. Step 3. Design your server. Now we getting fancy. Hit the link in the description. Ain't nothing chancy. Templates galore, channels looking slick. Copy those names, give your server that kick. Fonts all different, make them stand out. Hit that website, no need to doubt. But if you keep it minimal, that's all right. Skip this step. Keep your server tight. Step 4. Enable community. Make it official. Go to settings, click that switch. It's beneficial. Keep clicking. Next, till you see the change, forum channels open up. Now that's arranged. Step 5. Decide and add bots. Time to automate. 4 main categories. Let's get it straight. Moderation first up. Sapphire's my pick. Backup Dino or Wick. Keeps your server slick. Leveling's next. Lots of choices. No sweat. Amari's simple. Free, you won't regret. Security's crucial. Wix got the game. Anti-raid, verification, it does the same. Entertainment, that's your call. No bot reigns supreme. Dank memers popular, keeps the chat mean. Add them through the directory or Google their name. Bots bring the magic. Ain't it a game? Step 6, create roles. Structure is key. Settings, roles. Start making them free. Ideas from templates, let your creativity roll. Decorate your server, give it that soul. Now you know the steps, let's get to work. Build that ultimate server, go berserk. Discord Pro, you got the tools, make it legendary, break all the rules.